is 4:49 a.m. this morning, and I really want to take you through my day. So yesterday I took this particular trade that I think you guys should see. You see, this was where I took it from, this particular place right here. I don't know if you can see clearly. I took it from here. Okay, I took it from this place, and the reason why I took it is because of this fair value gap right here. It's just small, but I don't know if you can see that. Now the trade is still floating around, but I've already set my SL at break even. If you check right there, my SL is already at break even. So you can see this arrow. The arrow right here is showing where the trade was taking. So if I shift it, I took it on the 1 hour. I didn't even know if I would be taken into. So it's more like a sniper entry. I wouldn't have been triggered because it was a limit order. Okay, so I could have gotten the entry around this place, but I think I was waiting for a confirmation because I was looking for sales as at then. So the moment I got this one and I realized I could take it, I was like, let me just take advantage of this instead. So I've been holding that trade since yesterday. Now all I'm looking for is for price to just rally to the top and hit my TP. And you guys, look at the outfit, man. I don't know if you guys notice anything like, but I've been buying some new outfit for myself and I've really been happy about it. Yeah, that's just me sharing my little improvements. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I just want you to know that the little thing that you are doing for yourself that you think makes you happy, you just need to be proud of it. Okay, you need to be really, really proud of it. The improvement I'm making in Forex is massive. I keep it very secret and I keep it very silent. And the reason why I'm doing that is because of my personal peace. Okay, I have been in the industry for long and I know what works and what doesn't work. So if someone comes in and is telling me a different thing or is doing something and I just look at you and be like, huh, I remember predicting somebody's future and it happened. The person is no more on YouTube. He even had to delete his YouTube channel of almost 700 subscribers or 600 subscribers. But the guy was good. He was growing so fast. But for some reason he just, started to scam his followers, which was bad, He tried to get money from his followers and he started to scam them, which was really bad. I had to prophesy, I'm not a pastor, but I had to say it. There are certain indicators that a person does that if they don't change their lifestyle, they get into that particular problem. So this people just, like this particular person he fell down flat. I think I contacted him the last time, but he was offline. And it's been a very long time after I've actually heard from him. I'm even going around to check if I could see his contacts. My contacts are really okay. Yeah, he hasn't opened my chats yet. So you can see from here, let me hide good. You can see I was like, hi bro, call me here. My network is busy. So this was our last conversation. This was our last call. Just like 2nd of I think February 20th. I think we've not been spoken since then. 2024. Okay, this is our last call. This is 2024. Now, this is the last message I texted this guy, and he hasn't even come online. That's crazy. Is everything alright with him? That's really crazy, So yeah, this is just me taking you a little bit deeper. I've never shown something this deep, but it's something I really want to start doing going forward. And it's great, it's a really great thing. So yeah, so see you guys. I think early morning I'll give you a follow-up whether I'll be taking any trade or not, and I'll also let you know what I'm following up on. I don't know what EU is doing. Yeah, EU is not so clear, at this point. All the pairs are just so EU at the point. You can see I will only take a trade if price comes back to this fair value gap. Other than that, I don't have anything. Daily time frame is, it's not so clear to me, but I'm seeing more buys. I'm seeing more buys than sells on daily time frame. So let's just wait and see what happens. I did manage to hit TP, and even though I was sleeping, I actually woke up and I just saw a notification. I didn't manage to capture the screenshot on my phone, but I want to just take it through. So it is actually 11:17 p.m. and I have not even actually looked at the charts much. I just saw the TP and yeah, I was kind of I was like, okay, yeah, it has hit TP. So now what next? So on my screen here, you can see that the trade was here around in the morning, the time I actually started recording my screen and showing you where I took the trade and all that. But here is when the trade actually hit the TP. So you can see this was where I took the trade, and this is where the TP actually hit. So this is the trade right here, and you see the profit and loss is actually $210. That is like 1:2 because I'm risking 1% to gain 2% on this particular account. I haven't slept since yesterday. I was working on a video. I just sent it to my employer to look at it, and I also checked my charts. I am not seeing anything, but I'm seeing an amateur chart on the 4H. Is what I'm seeing. This is the 30-minute, but this is 4H, and 4H kind of swept above the previous high, and I don't know what is going to happen, but there is something I'm seeing on EU as well. So on EU is also showing kind of like, you see that. So if price closes below this line, then GU will probably also drop. But what I'm seeing is a rejection, so price is likely to go up maybe to this high again. And EU is not having any other high that it is closing. So I am seeing something like an SMT. I don't want to look at SMTs, but that's what I'm seeing. I have to get ready and head off. Yeah, so I wanted to take my tripod. I wanted to take it along, but I don't know if this would enter and be okay. So I'm not going to take it along. I'm just going to use my hand. I'll be using my hand for the whole thing. Obviously, I'm going to get dirty, so I just rather not take anything. But
Kuma anak gaya na bugun da banana. Ba dan ya da ta sabu. Cause the hana is soon as banana did you
Tahana had 2 years and now.
I forgot the tiny. Everlasting. Long.
So we rode a motorbike for like, I think, almost 14 minutes to this place. But those who are supposed to do what we came here to do are not available yet. So currently we are going to get some food now. What is my rubber? But I told them to you want to see this? Let's So finally, we had to go back 2 times, or how many times? So this is our second time. We're not getting what we actually wanted. The
Not
food is
even
ready.
what you wanted. We are getting what is there.
What is there? Yeah, definitely. So this cost around 30 Ghana cedis. It's a lot for us, though. That is around $2.70, but that's a lot of money for us. So I just go back home to the house. Now I'm supposed to go in and take shower. I don't know, but I'm tired. I'm gonna take a trade. I will show you the screenshot. I don't know whether I'm even tagged in the trade. I'm tagged in, but I don't know if I'm in profit or in loss, or it has already hit TP or SL. I can't best tell unless I actually go and check my charts.
A few minutes later.
So right when I just got in, I think I went to get some water to bath, but I was like, let me just sit on my desk for a while.
And this is what I can see. So price just stopped me out.
Now I'm waking up and I don't know. This is actually this is funny because this is around 1 p.m. I slept around 3 a.m. Woke up, tried to check my charts, but felt so weak. I was too tired yesterday, so I just continued lying down. And now I just decided to stand up. I need to get my teeth brushed. I need to get some food. That's one of the things I do when I wake up in the afternoon like this, because my body has digested all what I've eaten last night. So, and I also took some coffee. So I think kind of had some more tiredness in me, because that's what coffee does to you after it's actually getting out of your body. We're used to it right now, but I think I need to stop. But yeah, let me get dressed up. I need to put on my shirts, go get some Pepsodent to brush. I've taken you guys to the kitchen, but as always my kitchen is messed up. So I'm going to put up with this. I need to brush like mentioned. So I just finished brushing and I went out and I just got my auntie was buying some stuff, so I just had to help with what do you call it. I just had to chip in. So let's go in, see what I can do. I think I'll have to go and pick my money and then go and get some food. That's what I'm going to do right now, because I'm really hungry, like very, 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 very hungry.